Hello Steven, this is Gabi. I really appreciate your interest in Trello and I hope that all the information that I will be providing you with helps you taking the right decision. Well, as you know, Trello is a project management tool that is chosen by millions of users all across the world to improve the productivity in their companies. And it's especially a very useful tool for companies in time of growth, like ABC Design is, because it helps you manage and visualize not only projects but also all the workload and any other task in a very simple and effective way. But let me address your concerns first. As for your first concern, yes, you can stay in our free version for as long as you want. But actually, you don't need to commit to an annual contract to try the other versions. We offer a free trial period of Trello Premium, absolutely free of cost, in which all the users that you assign can make use of all the possibilities of these premium versions, such as the timelines, unlimited dashboards, etc. And if even after that period you don't feel comfortable with committing to an annual contract, you can either choose for the standard or the premium versions on a monthly basis. Then you will be billed and pay monthly, and you can opt out whenever you want, but I'm sure you won't want to do that. As for your second concern, the Glassdoor reviews, let me tell you, as a Trello employee myself, that I'm very happy with the company. It actually hasn't stopped growing for more than 10 years. We all work remotely and we're part of Atlassian now, which makes it even better. I've been taking those reviews myself because it surprised me when I heard that. And actually most of them are from people that have been going through the selection process, but not by real employees of the company. So I wouldn't worry about that. As for your last concern, yes, our Competence also has a very interesting product because, of course, they were inspired in Trello when creating it. But I'm sure Trello is the best fit for your ABC design. Let me show you quickly why. As you can see here, this is a typical board in Trello, which is very easy and intuitive. Any member of your organization, even non-technical users, can learn to use it very fast. It also offers a possibility that our Competence doesn't, which is assigning responsibilities or tasks to multiple assignees. As you can see, this is very useful in companies with many members as yours. So as you can see, it's very simple and easy to use. And also the last advantage that I will tell you about is that, as you told me that you were expecting to stay in the free version for at least for a while, let me tell you that with the Asana's product that won't be possible because they have a limit of 15 users for their free version, while ours is unlimited for any amount of users in your company to use it. Of course, our free version is the most generous in the market. So I hope all the information has been useful for you. Let me know if I can give you any extra piece of information. We can go through the platform together if you want, and I hope you take the right decision. Thank you.